Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with navigation,
OnStar guidance emergency communication system,
leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, premium package with all the right options, nav traffic, garage door transmitter, roof rack, third row seating, bi-xenon HID headlamps, rear view camera, and has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.